Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my first unboxing video. I finally got my iPhone 15. I've been waiting for this for a while, and it's finally here. Oh, just to let you know, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just doing this so you guys can know what it's like. So without waiting, let's go ahead and get this opened. Okay guys, let's get this opened. Let's flip it over. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, there's the phone. I got it in black. They had a couple of different options. I didn't want the pastel color, so I chose the black one. Okay, let's see what else is inside. Just some manuals, I guess. Then we've got the charger, which is now a C-plug. Watch all those Android guys laughing at us now. Now we've got the same chargers. Awesome. Okay guys, let's get this open. 1, 2, 3, and go. This is so satisfying, guys. Let's check the back out. Check this camera, and that's the black titanium. Okay guys, so that's about it for this. I'm gonna get this all set up. Thanks for watching. Bye.